Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Celebs Record. Today we are diving deep into the world of one of the most talked about rising star, Kate Connor, from his early beginnings to his 2025 lifestyle. So stick around because you won't want to miss what's really going on behind these scenes. So let's get started. Early life of Kate Connor. Kate Sebastian Connor was born on 8th of March 2004 in Purley, London, England. He grew up in the South London borough of Croydon, where he began developing his interest in acting from a young age. His early exposure to the arts came through school plays and local theatre, which quickly blossomed into a promising career. Let we know about his education. Connor attended Hayes Primary School in Canley before moving on Whitegift School, a well-regarded independent school in South Croydon. Despite the demands of acting, he managed to balance academics and a budding career. He later pursued a levels in drama, showcasing his commitment to the craft. Let we know about his career. Kate Connor began acting at the age of 8. He gained wide recognition through his role in Rocketman 2019 as young Elton John. However, it was his lead role as Nick Nelson in the hit Netflix series Heartstopper 2022 that catapulted him into global fame. The series earned him widespread critical acclaim and established him as a major young talent in British acting. Let we know about his family. Kit is very private about his family, but it's known that he comes from a sportive background. His parents have encouraged his acting pursuits from the beginning, and he often credits them for keeping him grounded. Details about siblings are not publicly available. Let we know about his ethnicity. Kate Connor is white British. He was born and raised in England and identifies strongly with his British heritage. Marital status. As of 2025, Kate Connor is not married and has kept his dating life private. He has occasionally addressed speculation about his personal life but prefers to focus public attention on his work. Let we know about his cars collection. There is limited public information on cars collection of Kate Connor. Being a young actor with a modest public persona, he doesn't flaunt luxury vehicles, suggesting he may prefer a low-key lifestyle or has not heavily invested in cars yet. Social media fan following. Kate Connor plays a massive fan base, particularly among younger audience. On Instagram, he has over 5 million followers and his popularity continues to grow thanks to Heartstopper and his continued presence in the youth-centric media. He maintains a relatively minimalist profile and avoids oversharing with fans aspects. Let we know about his some facts. Fact number 1. Kit is a talented voice actor having voice pantomime on his dark materials. Fact number 2. He was a cast in stage production as well, including Fanny and Alexander at the Old Vic. Fact number 3. He enjoys reading and music in his downtime and keeps a relatively quiet lifestyle. At fact number 4, he was nominated for several awards and he is viewed as one of Britain's most promising young actors. At last of them, let me know about his total net worth. As of 2025, Kate Connor's estimated net worth is around $233 million. This includes earnings from Netflix series, film roles, voice acting, and endorsements. With upcoming projects and continued popularity, this figure is likely to rise. So my friends, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look into Kid Corner's world, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more celebrity updates. See you in the next video and take care. All the best.